Hi, Mike Kennedy again. We're back. We've got our light breakfast. Okay, here we have our Yahoo drink. I got 3 of these for $1. Now these raisins, there were quite a few in the pack, and each box is 100 calorie, 1 gram of protein. This had a gram of protein in it too. And this time I found these, they were on display at end cap type thing at the supermarket, so I thought I'd try this. Belvita. Sounds like cheese. Blueberry natural flavors and other natural flavors. Breakfast biscuits. So, the idea here is that these breakfast biscuits are nutritional, convenient breakfast choices that are baked with selected wholesome grains and deliver nutritional, steady energy all morning long. 18 grams of whole wheat per 50 gram serving. And here we've got only 210 milligrams sodium. Dietary fiber. We have some fiber in this. We have 2 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein. So here we're at least starting to address the fruit or vegetable issue. So let's try these out. We'll see what they taste like. I was reading something about they're pioneering a new thing for MREs for the military, and they're looking at compressing food. Now, there weren't a terrible lot of details, but the idea would be, like, you could imagine you can imagine that you don't press this by mistake when you've got the straw in it, or it squirts all over you. It's funny, this almost tastes like milk. Almost. So if you were to have like a piece of bread and you compress it, you can realize that could be quite small. So, other foods, I don't know how well you can compress certain other foods, but supposedly it's something the military looks at. And I was reading, I think it was, I was on one of these sites, MRE Mountain, I think it's called. They sell MREs from all over the world, although they're very expensive, from another country. And I think it was one of the Chinese or Asian ones that they had compressed food in it. So again, this is this idea which our military is looking at too. So let's try these out. They're good. They're a dry cracker, cookie-ish type thing. A nice strong blueberry taste. $230 calories, so that's good. Of course, we know what raisins taste like, but let's try a handful of these. Seedless raisins. They have a gram of protein, gram of fiber, calories 100. What was this? I think the cookie had 4 grams of fiber. I think so. So there you go. And these are substantial enough so that by the time you've chewed them and eaten them, you'll actually feel like you've eaten something. The problem with some things is, if they're too small and high in calories, while they may be easy to carry, they don't necessarily make you think that you ate. and you do want to think that you ate. So there we go. Our breakfast with Belvita breakfast crackers or whatever. They don't... Biscuits. These are biscuits. The Yahoo drink and the raisins. And a little bit about this idea of the future of MREs, meals ready to eat. It was funny on the series Lost in Space. They've got a new series. Netflix is doing it. And at one point they land somewhere and they all take out these big bags of MREs. And they're about the same size as what we have, but the bags were semi-transparent. But I thought it was kind of funny that basically, you know, we've gone into the future and we're flying all over the place and they're still carrying these MREs around with them. Tell me what you think. Bye.